Today we have the 2022 Kia Stonic. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just over 42,000 miles with a manual transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. To the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access map, navigation, button settings, radio, media, and setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below we have our AC with heated seats on either side and a heated steering wheel. If we press our drive mode button, we can switch between normal, sport, and eco. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.